So good morning students. So let me start with the questions. Exercise 7.4, question number 5. That is integration 3x upon 1 plus 2x to the power 4 dx. Okay. So here what we can do is integration 3x upon 1 plus root 2 x square. I can write in this way. Clear? So here let root 2 x squared, if I consider as t, if I do differentiation, that will be, here will be twice x, root 2 will be there, will be 1, right? So that means if I use integration, it will look like this, isn't it? Or if I write integration x dx, so this one will go down, that is 1 by 2 root 2. So this part I have to substitute where? In this numerator, isn't it? Okay. So here I can bring this 3 outside this integration. That will be integration x dx upon 1 plus root 2x square. Okay. Now I have to substitute. So here you can see integration x dx will be converted into how much? 1 by 2 root 2. Here will be dt upon this one 1 plus, since I have considered root 2 x squared will be t. So this I can write as your 1 plus t square. Now as you go through the formula, that is what is the integration here? If you see with the formula that integration a square plus x square will be 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here this will be this. So 1 by a, since a is a 1, okay, tan inverse t by a plus c. Is not it? Okay. So therefore what can I say is, what will be the final answer? 3 by, so what will be the final answer? If you see here, that is 3 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse, and t we have considered as root x square plus c. So this is the final answer of your question number 5. That is 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. So first we have to bring in the formula, then only we can expand it according to the formula. So what is given in question number 6 is integration x square divided by 1 minus x to the power 6 dx. Okay. So here we can do a simple step, 1 minus we can take this as this. Okay. So here simply, or you can do here, make this 3 and make this, no problem. Okay. So what we can do here, let x cube equal to t. So when I do differentiation, this will be 3x square, there will be 1, and when I use integration, okay, that means in our numerator is x square dx, so I can bring this 3 over here, that will be integration x square dx will be 1 by 3 dt. So this part, as you can see, it is present on the numerator, so we have to substitute this value in terms of t. So your numerator will be now integration, this is coming to be 1 by 3 integration dt divided by 1 minus, what is 7? This is t square. Okay. So if you see this, it is coming under the formula a square minus x square. So as we all know, what is this? Twice a, since your a is 1, so I will write 2 log of, here as we all know the formula is x a 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. So finally the answer will be 1 by 6 log of 1 plus x cube 1 minus x cube plus c. So this is the solution of our question number 6. So let us proceed to the next question number 7. Integration x minus 1 upon root over x square minus 1 dx. Okay, this is the question. Okay, student. So here I will separate my LCM. So when I have separated the LCM part, as we can see, this part is direct formula, and in the first part we have to use the substitution method. Okay, so here let x square minus 1, if I consider to be t, when I do integration will be 2x, here will be 1. And when I use the integration, it will look like this. Okay, so that is integration x dx will be half of dt. So I have to substitute this part over here. So what will be now? The substitution part will be half of dt upon this part I have considered. So this will be simply root t minus integration dx upon root over x square minus 1. So here this will be integration t to the power minus half dt minus this will be log of x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c. So half of this will be half upon half minus log x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c. So this part and this part will cancel. So what will be t is this. So simply will be root over x square minus 1 minus log x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer of our question number 7. Okay, student. So I hope all of you are able to understand the question. So here we have separated the two parts. In the first part I am using substitution, and in the second part is the direct formula that I have discussed in your previous videos, isn't it? Let me do question number next is 10. That is integration dx upon root over x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so here you have to apply the formula. Since it is a quadratic, so you have to bring it in square form. So here this 2 I can write it in this way, 1 plus 1. So this part if you see, it is directly coming integration dx upon root over a plus b whole square plus root 1 square. Okay, now if you see, it is coming little bit equal to your formula, which one? Integration dx x square plus a square, isn't it? That is 1 by a tan inverse. Oh sorry, this is formula will be root over here root over x square will be log. This is root over here, right? So this is coming to be log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus 2. Okay, so we have to apply this formula in this question. But here, since your term is with your x plus 1, so what I can do is let x plus 1 equal to t. So this will be 1, this will be 1. When I take integration, it will be d. Okay, so here, so I can substitute now. Integration dt will be root over. So this part is considered t square plus this will be your So now it is coming direct exactly like the formula, that is root over x square plus a square. So here if I apply the formula, this will be directly p plus root over t square plus root 1 square plus c. So now you have to write the value of the t, since the t is considered to be x plus 1 plus root over, this part is the direct question part, that will be your x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. So this is the answer of your question number 10. Okay, so we are using again here the direct formula in this part, and here we are using the substitution method. Okay, so in this way we are doing question number 10.